So this is how it works. For instance, if you've been watching all this, you could be asking yourself, where do I really start? So this is how it works. Dave Partner, which is myself, downloads a cryptocurrency wallet app and signs up on a wallet website, or signs up on a website. For instance, there's remitano.com that is available to people, a whole lot of people. Then there is coinbase.com and a whole lot of other wallet websites. What this wallet website does is that they keep your private key. When you create a new Bitcoin account, for instance, you have the account number you see is a very long string, like encrypted string. That is the public key. But then there's a separate secret file that only you should have a copy of. That is supposed to be sent to you. But if you created it from a wallet site, that wallet site keeps it for you. So every time you want to make a transfer, your secret file must sign the transfer. Only you have access to that secret file. If somebody else has access, then they can pretend to be you and make transactions. And we've seen some of these wallet sites hacked in the past. Like between 2015 and 2016, some of these wallet sites were hacked where people transferred millions of dollars away. They targeted random accounts. Alright, but some of them are gradually starting to improve their security. Like I told you, everything here is in new technology. It's less than 8 years old. So a whole lot of people are starting to learn how best to structure the technology. But me personally, sometimes I just prefer to have my wallet online so that I don't have to worry about keeping my keys and a whole lot of things. So just visit any of these sites. Coinbase has over 10 million accounts, 10 million people account, and Remitano, I don't know how much, but there is a lot. So just visit any of these and then sign up and start making your transactions. Once you sign up, they will create an account for you on Ethereum. Some of them have Ripple, then some of them have, all of them have Bitcoin. So now I've created my account in this wallet. I buy a Bitcoin from a Bitcoin exchange site. There are several exchange sites where you see how much you want to buy and everything. But eventually, when you want to make the transaction, you just copy the address to send the money to come back into your wallet app and make the transfer from your wallet app. This is where you make your transfer. I'll do another course on how to invest in cryptocurrency. That's when we touch things like this. But all the transfers you're making, this is where you do that. Then number 3 is they've sent 10 coins to Obama. So I want to send 10 coins, like 10 Bitcoins or 10 Ethereum to Obama. That transaction is broadcasted into the network and now pending validation by 51% of the nodes of the network. So once I send money from my Coinbase account to Obama's account, what will happen is that the transaction is broadcasted to all nodes in the network. So all nodes have to vote. They have to verify the transaction, then they vote. The first node to verify the transaction gets paid. So many transactions occur in the network at the same time. So all pending transactions are grouped together as a block. Now each block is now chained. So multiple blocks are chained together, thereby making a blockchain. You understand? Each block has a unique ID, time and reference to the previous block. So the miner will simply take a block and see if it has the reference to the previous blocks it has is the same thing with the copy of the blockchain the miner has. Like I told you, every miner has a copy of the blockchain. Sometimes some of them are above 30 gigabytes in memory. So if you own a mining rig, you have to download 30 gigabytes of data or much more. All right. The miner that first validates the transaction in a pending block gets a few coins as reward. The coins are created newly and just as a reward to the miner. Now when the miner makes a lot of coins, they can now transfer it and get dollars in return. They will just go to their wallet account and transfer the coins they made from mining and get dollars in return. Okay, once 51% of miners verify a block, the transaction is approved. The new block gets added to the front of the blockchain. Every miner updates their blockchain record to contain the new block. It's as simple as that. I hope this just explains everything in a simple and straightforward manner. Now, if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comments. If at this point you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button. And if you have any question, you can chat me up. If you need my technical expertise in building anything around this, technology that I explained, please hit me up on my email. So my next course is on cryptocurrency trading, a step-by-step guide to build your own wealthy future. This is where a lot of people make money, and it doesn't involve much technical expertise. You just need to know what you're doing so you make money, otherwise you lose a lot of money. But then a whole lot of people have made a whole lot of money from this. So they say that the worst mistake you can make is not to invest in cryptocurrency at all. Then they said the biggest risk you can take is to invest money that you are willing to lose. You understand? So here are some important resources to reach me and to subscribe to get my other course when I publish it. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I make so many programming video tutorials, over 500 video tutorials that I've made on YouTube and cryptocurrency these days that will help you. So you want to join this Facebook group, Cryptocurrency Trading Strategies. I'll put the link in the description of this video and in the description of the first video in this series. Then you want to join Cryptocurrency Trading Strategies on Telegram, where I give you tips on how to trade, on which coins to buy and which to sell. And if you need to chat me up for anything, this is the link to hit me up on. So thank you very much, and congratulations for completing this tutorial series. If I discover more things, I could just come and update this video series and add more videos. Otherwise, feel free to chat me up. If you have a thank you note, you could thank me, and then in the next slide I will show you my cryptocurrency account. And if you already have money in your cryptocurrency account, please send something as a thank you note. So thank you very much.